4.
Who are you?
Mary.
How old are you?
What?
How old are you?
4.
How can Claire be 4 and you be 4?
Because we're twins.
Oh.
Because we're born the same time.
Holy cow.
Come on, let's go bicycle.
Still trying. Here it comes. What are you crying for, Luke? Let me see a smile. How old are you, Luke?
No.
No, huh? Daddy's gonna be home in a little while. What are you doing, Grace?
Picking weeds for your garden.
Picking weeds from my garden, huh? Let me see a smile. Here comes the breadwinner.
What are you doing?
I'm taking a picture of the man who made